Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys video title is guys how can we remove our name password lock in our Redmi phone. Guys you want to remove guys this name password lock, so you can remove it. And guys now let's see how to remove name password lock in our Redmi phone. In this video guys I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys open your phone setting to remove it. Then guys scroll it. Guys you can see your password and security settings. So guys tap here. Guys then click on your screen lock setting guys. So enter your password guys. Next guys you can see this turn off screen lock, so you want to remove it. So guys tap here. Then guys you can see this notification turn off. Okay, so as your password will remove, then guys you cannot use your name password lock in your Redmi phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to remove name password lock in our Redmi phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.